What's up, guys? I finally got my hands on the new Z-Man TRD CrawZ. The thing is I literally have one in a watermelon red color. Thank you, Tyler from Fish O'Clock Somewhere, for giving this to me. Today I am going to show my first impressions on this bait. I'm just gonna throw it on a little Ned rig and see what we can come up with. Got the kayak, let's hit the water. All right, so we just crossed the lake and I am incredibly tired. A little bit windy out today, a lot of pleasure boaters on the water. So one thing to remember with the TRD craw versus like a finesse TRD, if you're used to throwing a finesse TRD, you gotta remember that this new bait is gonna be a lot more buoyant. It's not the salt impregnated plastic like the TRD is. You know what that does is it makes the bait float up a little bit, and that way it's a lifelike action under the water. But just remember, it does affect the rate of fall. I love the size though, it's incredibly realistic. One of the most realistic looking baits I've ever seen. So I don't have any of the new Bullets jig heads yet, which was also recently launched by Z-Man, but that's one thing that I definitely want to try this bait as well as some other finesse baits on. So stay tuned to my channel in the future, I will be fishing those. There we go, there we go. Oh, he spit it. Dang, hope you guys saw that. Not a bad little fish. He was right on the outside edge of these pad stems. There are so many pleasure boaters. It's gonna be really loud audio. Thanks again to my buddy Tyler for giving me this bait. His channel is Fish O'Clock Somewhere, and he's actually got a review on it as well, which I'm gonna put in the cards at the very end of this video. So stay tuned to the very end to watch that. Dink. It might be a dink, but we're on the board. The TRD CrawZ does in fact catch fish. I would say this is the one soft plastic company that you can only have one of their baits and not feel that scared. Because quite frankly, you can catch like a million fish on these dang things. I think it's gonna be a really, really good bait on like a little finesse jig, as well as a drop shot actually. A drop shot I think is gonna be stupid productive with this bait, especially for smallmouth bass. I don't know about you guys, but I get energy from the fish I catch. So it's like, if I'm not catching anything, I just can't even like speak. There we go. I got another one, and he wanted that craw. Man, he slurped it. Look at that. All right, buddy. Thank you for giving me some energy. Finally, some energy. All right, buddy, go back. Well, a pike just bit me off camera, and so that was my only TRD craw. It's like all of a sudden I felt a bite and then it was just gone, so I'm 90% sure that it was a pike. Just clean slice right through the line. Whew. Whew. I tell you what, today was tough and I am sweating my butt off, but here is the thing. That bait looks beautiful. Well, until the pike, dadgum pike, took it away from me, but here's the great news. The great news is this: I've got more on the way. And so guess what? Stay tuned for future videos. I'm gonna be fishing the heck out of this thing on multiple different rigs, so stay tuned for that. I really think it's gonna be awesome in the rivers. I think it's gonna be great on a drop shot, on a finesse jig. So many different ways I think we're gonna be able to fish this bait. And you know, today was tough, but I don't really think that the bait was at fault. I think that the lake was just straight up just tough today. Anyways, if you want to see more fish catches on the TRD CrawZ, make sure to check out Tyler's video. It's up here somewhere. Otherwise, thanks for watching and we'll check you later.